Today we will have a look at the 3.5 flexible selfie ring light from Kmart. I got two here. This one is the regular one and this one is the influencer edition. Okay, that was a joke. These are exactly the same except different print on the packaging, but the inside should be exactly the same. So these are sold for 10 bucks, I think the original price, but I got these 5 each because they were discounted. It comes like this with the ring light and a phone holder. Here is better picture, and the ring light has different shades of light or different modes, white, yellow and mixed. 360 rotation, same thing here, USB powered. This is the control switch. Yeah, exactly the same stuff. So let's open them and see what's inside. This is a ring, instruction or user manual. Let's have a look at this one first. Okay, so this is the one. This ball looks rusty. Let's open the other one. Exactly the same. Okay, the influencer edition is rusty and this one is better. So this one, I don't know why it came rusty like this, but it shouldn't be a big issue. Okay, so I will be using it like this. I have it here hanging, and we'll have my phone here to record videos. This is the LED light, and you can switch it. This is yellow, white and mixed intensity. So I will put my phone here and have a closer look at this one. Okay, so this is the other one. This one is much better. This is more flexible. The one that I'm using here, it's very hard, stiff. The one I'm using right now, the phone holder is very stiff, while the light ring, it's soft like this one. Yeah, exactly the same. What about the user manual? Exactly the same. I'm not gonna scan this. If you want to have a read, just read it here. Not worth scanning. And this is also the same stuff. Yeah, the same. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.